These are the parts of your sewing machine. These are your stitch length and stitch width dials. Here is your on-off switch. This is your hand wheel. You always turn it towards you. Here is your take-up lever. It looks like a little dinosaur head. The hand wheel was moving it up and down, and then the take-up lever will move your needle up and down. It guides your thread down to your needle. This is your spool pin. And over here is your bobbin stop and your bobbin spindle. This metal screw-like thing, this is the thread guide for your bobbin. Here is your stitch selector and your width and length dials. This is the thread tension dial. This metal plate is the needle plate. The presser foot lever is behind and it lifts the presser foot up and down. The presser foot is going to hold your fabric in place and can be lifted up and down. The needle plate has seam measurements on the side. Also, the presser foot has feed dogs underneath to help pull your fabric through. This compartment is the bobbin compartment and release button. You put your bobbin in here. Over here is your reverse stitch lever. Push it down to make you go backwards, let go, and you go forwards again. And lastly, this is our foot pedal. Obviously, this really should be on the ground. And this is your sewing machine.